Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed those tiny black dots on your nose, chin, or cheeks? They're not dirt, and scrubbing harder won't help. They're blackheads, small plugs that block your pores and make your skin look dull and uneven. But here's the good news. You don't need harsh peels, painful extractions, or expensive facials to get rid of them. Today, I'll show you 7 gentle, natural ways to remove blackheads using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. And the best part? These methods not only clear your pores, but also help your skin look smoother, softer, and healthier, especially important for mature skin after 50. Let's start by understanding what blackheads actually are. Your skin has thousands of tiny openings called pores. Inside each pore is a sebaceous gland. It produces oil called sebum to keep your skin hydrated. When too much oil mixes with dead skin cells and bacteria, it forms a plug. If the plug stays under the surface, it's a whitehead. If it's exposed to air, oxygen turns it dark, that's a blackhead. Common causes? Hormonal changes, especially after menopause. Stress. Excess makeup or sunscreen left overnight. Pollution. Caffeine, alcohol, and smoking. Not cleansing the skin properly. Over time, clogged pores can stretch, making the skin look older and rougher. That's why regular, gentle cleansing is so important. Tip Hashone. Tomato wash. The natural antioxidant cleanser. Tomatoes aren't just for salads, they're a fantastic blackhead remedy. They contain lycopene and vitamin C, both powerful antioxidants that help reduce oil and shrink pores. How to use. Peel a small ripe tomato, mash it, and gently apply it to your nose and T-zone before bedtime. Leave it on overnight. In the morning, rinse your face with lukewarm water. This simple step dries up blackheads, balances oil production, and gives your skin a fresh glow. Tip #2. Lemon and salt scrub. Lemon is nature's brightening agent, while salt acts as a gentle exfoliant. Together, they help lift away dead cells and clear blocked pores. How to use. Mix a few drops of fresh lemon juice with a pinch of sea salt. Apply it to the blackhead area and gently massage in circular motions for 1 minute. Leave for 10-15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Do this 2-3 times a week. Avoid using it right after shaving, or if you have sensitive skin, the citric acid may sting a little. Tip #3. Toothpaste rub. Yes, really. Toothpaste contains mild cleaning agents and menthol, which can temporarily dry out blackheads. It's not for daily use, but once or twice a week can help reduce oil buildup. How to use. Apply a thin layer of white, non-gel toothpaste to the affected area. Leave it on for 20-25 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Follow up with a light moisturizer or aloe vera gel to prevent dryness. Tip #4. Honey massage. Honey is a miracle ingredient for mature skin. It's antibacterial, hydrating, and helps loosen clogged pores without irritation. How to use. Warm 1 teaspoon of raw honey between your fingers and gently massage it over your face for 2-3 minutes. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel soft, supple, and beautifully clean. Tip #5. Baking soda mask. Baking soda helps neutralize skin pH and remove dirt and oil. However, it's a bit strong, so use it only once a week. How to use. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to form a paste. Apply to your nose and chin area. Leave for 5-10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Always moisturize afterward to keep your skin barrier healthy. Tip #6. Oatmeal and yogurt pack. If your skin is sensitive or mature, this is your best friend. Oatmeal gently exfoliates, while yogurt nourishes with lactic acid and proteins. How to use. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a few drops of olive oil. Apply evenly on your face and let it rest for 10-15 minutes. Rinse with cool water. This pack calms the skin, minimizes pores, and adds a lovely natural glow. Tip #7. Egg white tightening mask. Egg whites help tighten pores and pull out dirt, giving the skin a smoother appearance. How to use. Beat 1 egg white and mix it with a teaspoon of honey. Apply a thin layer over your face using a brush or cotton pad. Let it dry completely, about 20–30 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Use once or twice a week to maintain clean pores and firmer skin. Tip height: cinnamon and lemon night pack. Cinnamon boosts blood flow and helps detoxify pores, while lemon brightens. This combination works overnight to prevent new blackheads from forming. How to use: mix equal parts cinnamon powder and lemon juice to create a thick paste. Apply it over blackhead-prone areas before bed. Leave overnight and rinse off in the morning with warm water. Removing blackheads is one thing. Preventing them is the real secret. Here's how to keep your pores clean and balanced. Wash your face twice daily with a mild cleanser. Always remove makeup before bed. Avoid touching your face too often. Use a clean pillowcase every few days. Drink plenty of water to flush out toxins. Eat antioxidant-rich foods like tomatoes, carrots, and berries. Remember, beautiful skin isn't about perfection. It's about care and consistency. Blackheads are common and completely manageable. With simple natural care, your skin can breathe again, glow again, and feel alive again. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's been struggling with blackheads. And don't forget to subscribe to Vital Health Guide US for more trusted, science-backed, and natural beauty and health tips designed especially for people who want to stay radiant and confident at every age.